Hey gang, this is Vicki Kelly with the Golden Rule Trades. I want to talk to you about a candle pattern that sometimes helps us figure out where energy lines are. And it's right here. I call these the flat bottom candles. It usually comes down pretty hard, plops its butt right there on this imaginary line, and then drives away from there. And the way that you know it is that they stick out like they just plop their butt down right there, flat bottom candles. Now, let me show you why this is important, because I was trading this line, which was a very obvious line, not a bad line to play. That was pretty typical for what's going on right now. But as you can see, it got up here and just couldn't make it any further. And I thought, I wonder if I am missing my pattern. So what I did is I saw these flat bottom candles and I thought, how much you want to bet that is our energy line? And indeed it was. And when you get that feeling like, this just doesn't seem to be following my lines, it seems like there's something else here that, that's when you start asking, did I miss where the line was? And that's when I start looking for flat bottom candles, because those can sometimes trip you up and actually be the pattern. Now, I am used to looking for those. However, I'm used to seeing them over here in this area, that it came up, wiggled around a little bit, came down, and then plopped their butts over here. So that's why I wasn't really looking for it, because that was awful quick for that to take place. And they usually take a little bit more time to show. But had I seen it quicker, I would have known that my pattern was over, and then I would have caught more of this move down. But I was still looking for it to possibly come up. Now, I had lightened up my contracts, and let me show you that. So when we came back down here, tried again, and failed, I passed off half my contract, more than half my contracts here, came down, got stopped out down here. So this was basically a break-even trade for me, which on a day like today, a break-even is a win. So, but because of that, because I didn't get stopped out till clear down here, I did not get into as much of this down move as I could have. But that's okay, because you live to fight another day. And that is the whole point. When something's off, you just stop. You just say, I'm not seeing something that's here. You can look for it like that. But if you don't see it, just stay on the sidelines, because the market will open tomorrow and you will be in sync with it, and you can use the best of your ability to trade that. So I will link you to something that is working very well for us, and that is the opening blitz. It is on Sunday evenings. 6 p.m. is when we start looking, and 6:30 we're usually into a trade, maybe even out of it by then. We're only looking for 20 ticks. But let me ask you this: 20 ticks, can that change what it looks like in your household if you consistently got 20 ticks? That's what we're doing on Sunday evenings. We've got an 80 to 85% win rate. Listen, it is only $9.97. You have wasted more money on coffee that tastes like tree bark. I'll link you to that below, and make sure that you're staying safe, have your guardrails in place, and I will see you at the open.